Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I am still in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm staying at a hotel. Hi!
Good morning!
Good morning. How are you today?
Fantastic. And yourselves?
Good, thank you.
What can I get started for you to drink today?
I get an iced Americano.
Yeah.
I get it in the to-go cup.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you want a short or a tall?
Tall.
Tall. And then you want a double shot or a quad shot in that?
Double.
You
Yeah.
got it.
Oh, okay.
Double's just like the normal shot. Yeah.
Yeah. So our 16 ounces are short, and then our 24
Just more water.
ounces the tall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
You're okay with the tall one?
Yeah.
Do you have green tea?
I have hot green tea.
Yes, I would like that.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you need any lemons?
No, thank
honey,
you.
Or milk?
Nope.
You got it.
We just sat down for breakfast, and as you just heard, we ordered our beverages. My husband ordered an Americano, which is espresso and water, right? And I got green tea. It's definitely not going to be like the matcha that I make at home, but that's fine. Let's look at the menu together. But first, please like my video, click subscribe, and share with your friends. This is a menu with classic American breakfast, such as eggs and omelets. We also have eggs Benedict, which is another egg dish that has hollandaise sauce. We have pancakes and French toast, bagels, yogurt parfaits, as well as oatmeal, and some juice. I'm going to order, let's see, I like to normally eat healthy, and last night we did not eat healthy, so my brain feels a little groggy. Groggy means that your brain feels cloudy. What are you gonna get? So I'm going to keep my breakfast pretty simple. I will get chicken sausage with berries. Hello, I stepped outside because it was too cold with the air conditioning. And I met a friend. What's your name?
I am Brad.
Hi, Brad. We have another friend here. It's a falcon. Would you like
a hawk? He's a Harris's hawk.
Oh, it's a hawk. I don't know the difference, but maybe.
Know the difference.
Uh-huh.
Short, stubby toes for a hawk because they eat animals that bite, like mice, like rats. Falcons, think of chopsticks. Falcons have long, skinny toes to catch a bird in the air. But birds don't bite. Rabbits and rats do, so the hawk has strong feet to keep from being bitten by dinner.
Very cool. Do you mind if I ask you some personal questions?
Sure.
Okay. Are you from Arizona?
I am from Indiana.
Oh. What brings you to Arizona?
I came to Arizona because there's no snow. I stayed because there are very, very few mosquitoes here.
That's true. I grew up on the East Coast with lots of mosquitoes, and they love me.
And they're wonderful little vampires.
Yes. Tell me more about why you're working. Are you an ornithologist?
I am an abatement falconer. Like
Tell me more.
asbestos abatement, getting rid of a problem. Abatement falconry, using birds of prey to chase away problem birds.
Very interesting. And can I pet your bird?
No, I can't even pet him. Whenever I touch him, watch. He'll step away.
Aww.
He likes his food, and he knows that I'm not going to eat him.
Okay.
That's our relationship.
Okay.
It's like having a pet fish.
Okay. You're a little sensitive. Oh, you're looking at me.
He sees a bird.
Okay. And how does he react with other birds?
Birds of prey are very much like the modern day dinosaur. Wonderful vision, tiny little brains. he either wants to eat it or fly away from it.
Okay.
Well, same species as well. You're either family or your food.
Very simple life.
Very simple life. Wouldn't that be great to have such a simple life?
I would love that. Well, I appreciate your time. My subscribers love hearing organic conversations. My YouTube is Bo's Slow English,
Okay.
if you can remember that. Bo like Bo Derek.
Okay.
Slow English.
Bo Slow English.
Yeah.
Thank
you again.
One last thing. This is a Harris's hawk, native to the United States-Mexico border through South America. The only bird of prey in the world that hunts in a large group. They stay in a large family. They're social.
Oh. Well, nice to meet you.
And the girls are always much bigger than the boys.
Okay. How much bigger?
30% typically. He weighs 2 pounds. The girl I have weighs 3.5 pounds.
Okay.
Think of Danny DeVito being the male, Arnold Schwarzenegger size being the female. All birds of prey the world over.
I can't wait to put the visuals up of Danny DeVito and Arnold Schwarzenegger.
That'd be great. Bo Slow English.
You both slow English. Thank you for your time.
welcome. Have a wonderful
Thank
day.
you, Birdie. What's your name?
His name is Niji,
Niji.
which is Ojibwe or Chippewa Indian for friend, brother. The Ojibwe from the Great Lakes region.
Thank you for teaching me and educating me as well as my audience.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you. That was so fun. And it was a spontaneous moment, which means that it was a surprise. I'm going to walk around this yard, but only briefly because I did not wear my sunscreen and I don't want to get burned or get sun damage. This is the yard. I guess people can run around on here. I'm gonna walk towards this golf cart, I guess. We have some people in their uniform getting ready to help the guests for the day. How many hotel rooms do you think are in front of me? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know. Looks like a lot. I'm going to head back. I'm walking up the accessible route, which means that this is a ramp or a path for people in a wheelchair. And I'm going to go down the stairs and back into the restaurant. We got our breakfast. As I mentioned, we're eating very light this morning. So we have some chicken apple sausage, blackberry, blueberry, strawberry. We have some breakfast potatoes, a side of toast. Can you show me the jam? Jam. Do you call it jam or jelly?
Jelly.
Okay, so growing up, I think I called it jam. Okay, I'm going to eat my breakfast and then I will take a tour around the mall afterwards in a separate video. Thank you for watching and please share this with your friends. And if you would like to learn English with me further, check out my ebooks. The link is below. Have a great day. Bye.